Yeah, I already know where the location is. Tell me about it. Like, how is it like?
2201.
What?
2201 South Union Avenue.
No, 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 no. I don't need the address. I need you to tell me how it's like.
We charge $1,400.
What?
You take lessons for class A?
I already have license.
Uh,
So I just need a little bit of training. Because, I want to take truckload to Texas, to Canada, you know, Canada, and then maybe go to India.
India?
Not
Indiana?
when I make
India?
money, when I make money, then vacation, you know. Yeah. So
You need job?
yeah, I need
And you apply to any other companies? This is only for training for class A.
yeah. That's what I need. I need training. So it's 1400.
We charge 1400 for training fees.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
For per what? Per year, per month, or what? Per week?
Listen, you do not understand my vision. I give you training to a new students who get license for class A.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. I understand. It's cause you have that little heavy accent. It's kind of hard. Okay, so when can I come?
You come anytime, Monday to Saturday.
Anytime, so I can come like 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning.
Mornings, yeah.
Yeah, you'll be awake.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you awake right now?
This is now, this is on the morning, 7 o'clock.
Okay, 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Okay, and
Yeah.
yeah. So this is Union Truck Driving School.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's in Bakersfield.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is for license and truck and everything.
For truck drivers who need drive trucks, this is for license take class A.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Can you call me when you at 7 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me give you my number.
And then you call me this number.
No, it's cause my cell phone is like about to die, so I need you to call me. Like it's 818
Uh,
uh six. Wait, no, wait, 653.
your number.
This is my number, my cell number.
Uh,
653. So it's 818-653-8465.
uh-huh.
Okay, you understand me?
Yeah.
Okay, can you repeat the number?
Okay. I check it
Can
on my
you?
phone.
Okay, repeat it.
Uh, 1 minute, please.
Okay, I give you much time as you want.
Okay.
8
uh,
1
1,
8
8.
wait 1 minute. Then it's a 6 5
5,
5 6 5, and then the 33
6, 5,
3
3,
8 4 4 6 Fuck. Yeah. Can you repeat the number now?
818
Okay.
653
Okay.
8465.
Good job. Okay, so you call me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will see you tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm gonna come.
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Oh, okay, Monday. I'm gonna come to you Monday, 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
Okay, you will be awake. You will be awake.
Sukhi Kumar.
Okay, my name is BLOWJINDER Singh.
BLOWJINDER Singh.
BLOWJINDER.
BLOWJINDER.
Blow.
Okay.
What's my name?
Darshan Singh Sidhu.
Huh?
Darshan Singh Sidhu.
No, my name is BLOWJINDER Singh.
Okay, I know you by my name, I tell you.
Oh, what's your name?
Darshan Singh Sidhu.
Oh, okay. Oh, my name is BLOWJINDER Singh Sidhu.
Sidhu.
Yeah. Oh, you might be related to me. Yeah.
Indian people.
Oh, yeah. My whole family is Sidhu. Yeah.
From Punjab.
Oh, Punjab, Jalandhar.
Jalandhar.
What, do you know Jesse Sidhu?
I know it.
Oh, okay.
I come from India 1 year, 4 months ago.
Oh,
I'm newcomer.
I come from India 1 year, 5 months ago. Well, I come from India 1 year, 5 months ago. From Singapore Airlines. I come from Jalandhar. You go to Jalandhar?
2, 3 times I go to Jalandhar.
Okay. Next time you go there, I am gonna see you there maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're both Sidhu. So you give me discount.
My Sangrur district. Sangrur.
Huh?
I belong to Sangrur district. Sangrur.
Oh, Sangrur district. Oh, I remember what this is. Oh, Sangrur district. Yeah, it's coming to my head.
My village in the Sangrur district near Duri. DH2RI.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so are you married yet?
I'm the aged people. I'm 75. No, 57. Very old.
Oh, you didn't get married?
Yeah. My elder son is 30-year-old.
Oh, wow, he's really old. Okay, I am 25.
Okay.
So I'm gonna come to you Monday.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you have a good day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Khote da putter.
What did you say there?
Nah, it'd be fun, dude. I had recorded.